So there's two types of persimmons. This one that's a little bit taller, it's astringent. This one's firmer, it's non-astringent. It can be eaten firm or soft. The other one has to be eaten soft, no questions about it. So for the firmer one, you break off the leaves, and to get the stem out, you can just take a spoon and run it right underneath the stem and hold the stem with your thumb and twist it. It comes right out. Pretty much everything else besides this stem is edible and great. I do give it a quick wipe where the stem was and cut off any blemishes, and then you can just eat this thing like an apple. I mean, rarely do you ever even find any seeds inside of it. I use persimmon so many different ways. I can put it in salads, use it for desserts. I love to put it on a charcuterie board. It goes great with cheeses. You can make jellies out of them, ice cream. There are so many things that you can do with them. The soft persimmons, you can scoop some out and chop it up and mix it with honey and serve it with hot pepper cheese. That is wonderful. This I fanned out, and you can stand it up just like that on a plate and make a circle of it and put a salad inside it. If you want to slice whole slices and garnish the top of a fruit tart, it's best to use a mandolin. But if you use a knife and they don't all come out sliced the whole way through, it's no problem. Just take those and tuck them underneath a whole slice, and it looks like there are whole slices the whole way through. The little piece from the other side, from the top, you can tuck it right underneath the back. This astringent one, the stem comes right out. It's no problem. It's so ripe. It's almost translucent when you look at it, and it's like jelly on the inside. You can eat the skin. It's a little bit tougher than the other one, and some people just prefer to slice off the top and just scoop it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Enjoy.